Okay, welcome to, I think this is the eighth series, eighth video on my 10 minutes Python. It's not exactly Python per se, but I want to talk about this thing known as indentation. Some of you have heard that Python is, indentation is a very important context in Python because, as I say, while other programming language actually use indentation for readability, Python actually use indentation to indicate a block of code. For example, when we have something to run, it uses Python to indentation to indicate a block of code. Okay, it doesn't help in just readability, although readability is important. So let me just go to a simple non-Pythonic example. So this is, I took a recipe on chicken skewers, Greek chicken skewers, and this is the recipe. Now, by looking at it, can you actually know how to cook? For example, it says whisk the following together in a bowl. So I whisk my lemon or and so on, lemon zest, thyme, and then will I be whisking my plastic bag into it? Probably no, right? So what do I whisk? I whisk all these that are under one level indentation. So I whisk these components. Then the rest is step by step. Okay, so this is step one is whisk. Whisk what? These are the whisk components that I want to whisk. Then step two, put inside a plastic bag. Step three, step four, step five, step six, and so on. Okay. So that's why indentation allows us to see things clearer. And Python actually uses this example as well. The worst in programming is what we call as misleading indentation. Okay, if you learn other languages before, for example, Java, C programming, Pascal, whatever, indentation can actually be very confusing if you never use it properly. For example, let's say if you're working in the office, okay, and one of your subordinate or even your friends gave you a report and the contents page looked like this. I will argue that all the information is there. Can you accept this horrendous contents page? No, right? Because why? It is misleading. It is absolutely misleading. Okay, so how do I do about it? All the information are there, correct? 1.1, 1.2, I even labeled it for you. But it's completely misleading, right? How will I do it? So I will have to re-indent it properly into this format. Okay, 1.2, 3. Okay, Asia economy. Then under Asia economy, we have South Asia, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, North Asia. Then we talk about Europe. In Europe, we talk about East Europe, West Europe, Eastern Europe, Central Europe, and so on. Then we have Americas. Okay, North America. Under North America, we have, let's say, Canada, USA, and Central America. Or Central America is actually, well, then within Central America, we have one that is in Mexico. After that, we have South America. South America, we talk about Brazil. Then we talk about Chile. Then we talk about Peru. Then we talk about Venezuela. Okay, investment opportunities go all the way up to level 3. Asia, investment opportunities, Europe investment opportunities, America investment opportunities, and we want to split into North America and South America. I have not changed a single word, but now you can see the flow of the whole report. And that is why indentation is important. So in executive summary, I have 3 components. I read through the 3 components of executive summary. To current state of the economy, it spans all this. And within current state, I have Asia. Within Asia, I have the 3 components and so on and so forth. This is very important in Python programming. So please do not mess up indentations. Okay, so I just want to do a quick video on indentation, just for this purpose. Okay, that's all. Thank you.